Hi, I'm Sam at Shaper HQ. I'm here with the Shaper Origin prototype, and in this feature demonstration we're going to look at using Origin's bit offset to manipulate tolerances on the fly. So there's two aspects to this offset demonstration we're interested in. The first one's going to be a roughing pass. So we'll see we've got a 1.86 diameter hole here, and then we're going to step in from that edge and do a roughing pass using offsets. Then we're going to try and fit the tube into the final diameter hole, which is intentionally too small, and we're going to just gradually, by manipulating the tolerances, growing it out and out bigger and bigger until it actually fits in that hole. So at the moment we're looking at our offset options. We can quick select 1/16th, 1/64th. We're going to do 1/16th for this demonstration, accept that. So that white path there is our cut path, and the white shape, the white area on the outside is the material we ultimately want to keep. So we'll see when our cut history starts turning up, the green, there's a 1/16th dimension offset there, which is exactly what we selected. So that's our roughing pass, that we can do as many cut the full depth like that, and then you would go in and do a finishing pass by removing the offset, and then just removing a very modest amount of material at the end, which gives you a very clean cut. This is sort of standard CNC type practice to get very accurate finish cuts and accurate dimensions. So you can see how removing that 16th offset gets us to our full diameter there. So this gets us a 1.86 diameter hole, and our pipe we're trying to insert in here is a little more than that. So I believe it's 1.9 something. So in the interest of experimentation, we're just going to add 1/100th to our offset to try and step out further and further. Now usually offset is moving away from the area we want to keep, so we're going to type in a negative value here to encroach into that area. So 1/100th, which will get us on both sides, it's going to become 2/100ths larger hole. So it's probably not going to be apparent here. The cut history, it has moved out, but it's not crossing over that black contour around the edge yet. So it's not super apparent that we've cut more material off. So it's a great way to do really subtle fit adjustments and get a very firm fit. So we'll do a 0.02, so that's 0.04, because it comes off both sides, the diameter. And find my circle again. So now we see the cut history just puts a couple of pixels outside that black contour, indicating we're removing more material. And we'll see if our pipe fits in here again. You can see this is actually quite a challenge to do, especially on big flat sheets like this. You can't get a drill press in here. Forstner bits require material in the center of your hole. You can't just sort of experiment after you've cut a hole easily. So just taking a sliver more off, and we'll see how this fits. Very, very firm fit. We could keep going if we felt like it and wanted to loosen it up a bit, but that illustrates the point.